What if one of biology's most important theories has been incomplete for over 50 years? For decades, scientists believed that most genetic mutations were either harmful or completely neutral. Beneficial mutations, the rare changes that help a species survive, were thought to be extremely uncommon. But a shocking new study is forcing researchers to rethink everything, and the discovery suggests evolution may be working in a way nobody expected. Researchers at the University of Michigan analyzed more than 300 populations of yeast across hundreds of generations. What they found was surprising. Beneficial mutations weren't rare at all. In fact, they appeared far more frequently than traditional evolutionary theory predicted. But that created a mystery. If helpful mutations are so common, why aren't species evolving much faster? The answer appears to be hiding in the environment itself. Scientists discovered that many mutations that are beneficial today may become harmful tomorrow. A genetic change that helps an organism survive in one environment can suddenly become a disadvantage when conditions change. And conditions are always changing. Climate shifts. Food sources disappear. Predators evolve. Competition increases. Nature constantly rewrites the rules. As a result, many beneficial mutations never spread through an entire population before their advantage disappears. Researchers call this phenomenon adaptive tracking. Instead of reaching perfect adaptation, life on Earth may be trapped in an endless chase, constantly trying to catch up with changing environments. To test their theory, scientists conducted an 800-generation experiment using yeast. One group lived in a stable environment. Another group experienced changing conditions. The results were remarkable. Beneficial mutations spread far more easily in stable environments. But when conditions kept changing, many potentially advantageous mutations vanished before they could take hold. The implications extend far beyond yeast. Some scientists believe this could help explain why humans still carry genetic traits that seem poorly suited to modern life. Our ancestors evolved for environments that no longer exist, and our genes may still be trying to catch up. If these findings are correct, evolution may not be a slow march toward perfection. Instead, it could be an endless race against a moving target, a process where nature never fully adapts because the world keeps changing too quickly. The biggest mystery? If beneficial mutations are far more common than we thought, how many other assumptions about evolution are waiting to be challenged? Because sometimes the most surprising discoveries aren't about finding new answers. They're about realizing we've been asking the wrong questions all along. If you enjoyed this mystery, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Mysteries Archive. Because the greatest mysteries aren't always buried underground. Sometimes they're hidden inside our DNA.